Hey everybody, I'm back here at the Washington Wheels Park where we've got the grand opening set for next Saturday, March 28th. This place has a world-class skate park, a BMX track, along with a pump track. It's also got the biggest jungle gym that I've personally seen in Southern Utah. It has a Ninja Warrior course, a 40-yard dash where both are timed while you're doing it. It's even got a splash pad with a lazy river right around it. So whatever age your kids are, you definitely gotta come check this place out. I've got Kurt Ivey here that'll give us a little bit more details on the grand opening. All right, so I'm here with Councilman Ivey. We were here a few years ago when this property had just been donated for this. It was still all dirt. A couple years later, we're nearing the finish line. How does it feel?
It feels wonderful. It's been 5 years in the making, and we're so excited.
What happened as a community for this to actually come together? Give us a quick rundown, because I know it was quite the story.
That's a great question. The story in this park is our community's generosity.
Yeah.
That's why this park is as big as it is and has the amenities that it has. I never thought myself as a good fundraiser, but in this case, I reached out to the community. We got the property donated, as you said. We have all the trees donated. We have all these other donations coming in, and that's why it's the park that it is. It doesn't cost the citizen won't be paying a dime. It's being paid with impact fees. It's not going to raise taxes. We're very excited about that aspect of it as well.
Everyone loves that.
Yeah, exactly.
So we've got the grand opening coming up, Saturday, March 28th. Give us the rundown. What are you gonna have out here?
It's gonna be fun. I can tell you that right up front. It starts at noon. You might want to get here early. We're expecting a large crowd. We love that. There will be a program that starts at noon. We will have our good mayor speaking and a few other speeches, but the main thing we're gonna do is get the ribbon cut, get the pros that will be here. We have 5 bike pros, 5 skate pros. You will recognize their names. And we also have the #1 pro right now in scootering. So they will all be doing demonstrations as well as giveaways. We have giveaways of merchandise that has the Washington Wheels Park emblem on it, things that we're very proud of. We want everyone to come and enjoy a day that doesn't cost you a dime. Come, bring your families, and just have a good time here and help celebrate this park with us. And then from then on, we're going to have some competitions here eventually. We're going to have other programs that, you know, kind of see what's going to come. But main idea is we're going to utilize it really well.
It's awesome. I love it. It's going to bring people from everywhere.
I think so.
I'm super excited to see it. Well, thanks for all you did to make this happen. Can't wait for 28th.
There you go.
Thanks, Kurt.
Thank you.
So again, Saturday, March 28th, 12 to 4. Bring your friends, bring your family. It's going to be a great day here at Washington Wheels Park.